good work tips when doing trusses. I see a lot of people struggling with the feet of the trusses, moving it back and forth, trying to get a measurement to either the brickwork or the timber frame build, and you want to free up your hands. So one way I've seen people do is they'll find out this point here, they will divide the truss and then they will mark it down on the plate, which allows them to free their hands up a bit. But one better, what I would do is I'd mark the center of the plate. I'd measure from a level mark from the outside brickwork or the timber frame back to that point, the center of the plate. I would do that measurement the other end and I'd ping a line. So when you ping that line, if there's any discrepancy in the plates, brickwork or the cavities, you're going from a straight point. That will allow all your trusses to be in line. I've also come across situations where the brickwork might not be parallel. So when you do come to do your fascia, you may start with, say for example, 50mm one end and 100mm the other end. So if you take that into consideration, the width of the building, you can always adjust that line so you can split the difference. So maybe you have, say for example, 1 inch one end, 3 inches the other end. You can play with it to get the best out of a certain scenario. Good work tips.